Hey everyone, welcome back. Opening the Trump accounts and getting stuck on a blank white screen or a frozen loading logo that never moves past it. Here's a fix from your iPhone settings. First, swipe up and force close the app completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your settings and then find Trump Accounts app in your app list or directly search for it. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. Confirm that cellular data and background app refresh are both turned on for the app. After that, go back to your home screen, press and hold the Trump Accounts icon and then tap Remove App, Delete App, then delete the app to fully uninstall it. Next, open your App Store, search for Trump Accounts official app and then tap Get to reinstall it completely fresh. This is a brand new government app and a stock wide screen is almost always a corrupted first launch gauge. A reinstall clears it instantly. After reinstalling, go to your settings app, then go to General, scroll down to Software Update, and then make sure that your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later, since the app will not run properly on anything older. So all you've got to do is force close, delete and reinstall from the App Store. Confirm your iOS is 17 or newer. The white screen is gone and that's it. Subscribe for more Trump accounts app fixes.